Hello world, today we're going to make a game called Two-Player Ping-Pong Game. It's a game where you play ping pong but with two players. Let's start. First, let's name our first backdrop game. Alright, and now we will be making a ball. Click the circle and I'll choose make my ball yellow. It's perfect. And now I'm making it go to 8 pixels. Alright, was perfect. It's beautiful. And make it bigger a bit. Or maybe smaller. Great. And now we'll be naming this sprite ball. Let's code it. First event when green flag clicked. Go to x0 y0. Once we're done, we will be adding these codes. First one, let's add turn to 180 degrees, move 15 steps, go to random position, and that's all. Before that, we must also add a forever block, so it can move forever and will not stop and have glitch. Let's see how it works. Perfect, but one thing is, when it went go to the edge, it did not bounce back. So for this problem, we must add if if on edge bounce. Right here, and let's check it. Perfect. Let's just make it smaller a bit. Make it 90 or 80. Perfect, more better. Let's go to looks and set size and to 80. Perfect. And now get a sprite. Typing pedal P A B D Q. Now we'll be making it stand straight. Perfect. Now I'll change the color of it. I'll make it the feel a bit more like green and make the color one green and be like this. Alright, now we'll be naming it player one shadow. Perfect. Now let's make a player tools one. Before that, let's set the place. Alright. Now player tools pedal. duplicate. So scratch will not change the number when we duplicate it. It will add a number 2 behind it. So we have to change it on our own. Play 1 to play 2. And change the color. I'll be making it orange. This will be yellow. Perfect. It's beautiful. Now setting it here. Alright. Now let's go to player 1 and go when green flag click, it will go to x negative 223, y negative 1. And here we'll be bringing out one forever block and if and two if thens. What do you think what I'm going to do now? Yes, I'm going to make the controls for this pedal by going to sensing if touching with the wrong block. If key press up arrow, and for another one, if key press down arrow. Perfect. And now we'll be going to bring out this block. Change y by 10. We're going to make it change y by 5. Duplicate u and making it negative 5. And let's see if it works. Up arrow. See? It works. Perfect. After that, we're going to be making the same code for player 2. It's very easy. You can do it yourself. When green flag click, motion, go to x 233 negative y negative 2. Here, one forever block and two if thens block. Perfect. Now we're making it keeps pressed. If key press W, cannot make it up and down arrow, or else it will be control, or else player 1 will control player 2. That's not good. And for the down one will be S. There is right. Now we're making it the same. Change y by 5 and change y by negative 5. Now let's check it out. Alright, it's fun. If there's two player will be playing. But if even though they play, they will not have score. So now let's add the score. Let's bring everyone back to their place. Alright. For ball, we must make now we'll be making two new vibrates. One for one score for player 1. And make a vibrate score for Player 2. Review setting. Bring in the score for player 2. Placed it right here. Alright. And now let's go to backdrop 1. Resetting it. When green flag clicked, it was set to backdrop. Switch to backdrop game. Set vibrates to all of them 0. Score for player 1 0. And set score for player 2 0. Perfect. And now we'll be making backdrop so that it can tell that which player has played, has win. By doing that, we must go to make a new backdrop, and first one will be for player 1. Player 1 win. Yay. Let's make the backdrop yellow for player 1 because he win. For the outline, it's not important. Alright. And now here, we'll be making the text black. Player 1 win. Making the text big. This is perfect. Now let's make a player 2's backdrop. Player 2, the background can be like orange. Yes, perfect. And we also set it to player 2, change the text, and change the backdrop's name, and remove the 2 behind it, the backdrop name. Perfect. Right. Now we'll be going to the board. We'll be making an if statement again by putting when green flag clicked, forever block, and if then block. This is very important so that they can. Without this code, when the ball touch this pedal, it will not add up the score. So now we'll be making it touching score, touching player 1's pedal, player 1's pedal, right. Now we'll be duplicating this code, duplicate, we'll be removing this. Then we'll add vibrate, change score for player 1. You can change the number here. You can make it 2 or 1. You like it when it's 1. And then we'll be making a wait 0.5 seconds. Perfect. Now let's make another one for player 2. Player 2, and don't forget to change the score name. Score for player 2. Very important. If you did not change it, it will add for score player 1 and player 1 win, and that's not fair. Okay, now let's go to this. Now we're going to make the backdrop. Make the backdrop. We bring it forever. If then here, if I click, we will type in this. Bring out operators and taking out the equal block. Bring out, go to vibrate. I go to this is score 1, players pedal 1. Okay. Now we'll be pressing it. You can make it to 50 or 10. 10 is more faster, or 5. 5. Then when this is 5, it will change to this backdrop. Player 1 wins and the game ends. You can start over again, and also we have to add this. Very important, so they will not appear on the game screen, and that's not good. First game will be show. Player 1 win backdrop. Player 2 they will hide. Alright, good. And now we'll be making the same code for this player 2. Taking out the operators. When here, go to vibrate, and this one, remember, you must look at what pedal it is. This is player 2, so score for player 2. And don't forget to set all the score. If you set here 10 or 5, you must set in here 5, or else it's not fair it's not fair. And then we're making it change backdrop 2. Perfect. Now for the last one, we must make it height when it goes again. Very important. Show height and change the backdrop name player 1 and player 2. Alright, the very last code of the video, we have to add it in the bar 2, so it will also hide and not appear on that screen, the winner screen. Here, go to looks, making it show height and height. Perfect. And now let's see the results. Player 1 and player 2 playing. Oh, player 2 is taking in the lead. Player 2 wins because I set the score 5. I can set it to 10 by going to every pedal, go to 10. So that's 10, and 10. Okay. Player 2 wins again. Yeah, this game is fun. Hope you like this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.